Hi, my name is Eduardo Flores, and I'm going to explain my code using a matrix keypad and using a Psoc 4 on Psoc creator. I I'm going to use this to show information in one display of 16 segments. So in the first step is create the registers. So I have three registers. Two is for the columns and one for the rows. So I have an image here. I have I have four columns that this is and four rows. So I need to send the information from episode the episode to the keypad to turn on these columns, and I'm going to get the information from the keypad to know which of this row was pushed. So when I send the information to turn on to turn on this column, I need to get information to know which row was pushed. So if in the case that this this button was pushed, I'm going to know that is this button. So how I need to send that information, I need to create the register to columns in a output way um, to to send information. You know, uh, I use into I use into I use into two different register because the Psoc doesn't have some things available. So to to do that, I need to create two different registers to separate it. Uh, sorry. Well, do that. I need to create the row pins. That this is an input because I'm going to get information from the keypad. Um, the the settings is just change the information, change this option on input, put it in falling edge and dedicate interruptions. So after that, I need to create an interrupter that know when is when the Psoc get an interruption, and that's it. Okay. Doing that, I need to create a new library to control it. I import the library to make the to make work the display, but I don't I'm, I'm not going to explain it. So creating the library to control the keyboard, key, I use use two files. So in this file, I create this keyboard start that I'm going to import or include in the main file that is here, and That is doing that that is making that the library works when the Psoc starts. So doing that, I'm saying the this hexadecimal to to turn on all the columns on the keypad. That's because I don't know which which um which button was going to press it. So doing that, I just start the the interruption detector, and 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 include the function that um, that get that information when the piece of receive that the well, receive an interruption, that is when a button was pressed. So the code is the next. It's just clean the interruption when the interruption was detected, and I I did that this loop. This loop makes sure that the button was uh, pressed, because sometimes the keypad send um, fi- um, fail information that is not correct. So this loop makes sure that you press the button. So when the loop make the make sure that was make it, just change the value of this variable, and we use that to know which is the button. So first we start with the first column, and we read that information. I just ask was was which was the file in which we we um, we take the information. So, for example, if you press this button using obviously thinking that the code is in the column one, we know that is four. So we are um, we are getting this hexadecimal, and we just call the function number that is a function from my library to here. Sorry, is here. That just requires that two different variables. The first is the number that we want to show in the display, and the second is which is the display that we want to use. Um, well, making that it is just repeat the structure send in the second column, and ask what was the the, 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 the row, and the same with the following columns, and that's it. We can make different situation when one button was started. So thank you for your attention.